Okay, so we're looking now at one of the final topics for this semester, and it's polygons. So polygons are just many-sided shapes. Excuse me. So I've got a table started, and obviously there's heaps and heaps of polygons. But what I want you to do is think of the general name for a three-sided figure, a four-sided figure. Now, I'll start you off. A four-sided figure, they're called quadrilaterals. Okay? So if you're thinking of squares and rectangles, they're examples, but they're not the family. The family is called quadrilateral. So can you just fill in the table as much as you can, and when you're ready, come back live. Okay, so hopefully you got the first one, which is just triangles. And then five-sided figures are pentagons. 6 are hexagons. 7 are septagons. 8 are octagons. 9 are nonagons, and 10 are decagons. Now there are other polygons that have names, but we'll just focus on those ones. Excuse me. So let's come across next page. Okay, so all polygons can be broken up into triangles. Now the reason we use triangles is because we know that there's 180 degrees inside a triangle. That's why we use triangles. And to do that, we're going to join the vertices or the corners. But the thing is, the lines cannot cross over each other. So copy that and then come across when you're ready. Okay, so we've got a five-sided figure. So I'll just put dots on the corners. Okay, so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I want you to see how many triangles you can make, but the lines cannot cross. Okay, so can you go ahead and see if you can do that right now? Okay, we're back. So let's go 1, 2, and that's all we've got. So we've got 1, 2, 3. So we've got 3 triangles. Okay, so hopefully you did that okay. Okay, copy that, come across. Okay, next one we've got 7 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we've got 7 sides. So do the same thing. See how many triangles you can make. So pause, and when you're ready, come back live. Okay, 1, 2. Okay. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I've got 5 triangles. Okay. So we've got 2 results so far. So let's come across when you're ready. Okay. So let's have a look at how many triangles you'd make. So the ones is 1 triangle, and the one we did here was 3. And I'll rub this out. Hang on. And we had 7 sides, had 5 triangles, and the general case will be an n-sided figure, so for any sides. So let's see if we can work this out. So let's put 2 there, 4 there, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what the pattern is 3 goes to 1, 4 goes to 2, 5 goes to 3, 6 goes to 4, 7 goes to 5. What is the pattern? The pattern is subtract 2. Okay, so if you've got any sides, any number, you just have to subtract 2, and that's how many triangles you have. Okay, copy that and come across. Okay, so here's the formula. Okay, so we're talking about the angles inside, so the internal angles inside a shape will be n minus 2 times 180. And why 180? Because that's what the triangles are. Each triangle is 180 degrees, and we have 2 less triangles than the number of sides. Copy that, and that's a really important one, so put colour around that one. It's an important formula. Okay, so we're nearly at the end. Okay, so in this first one, how many angles, what's the angle sum of an 8-sided figure? And what's the angle sum of a 16-sided figure? So pause, and when you're ready, come back live. Okay, so 8 sides, it means 6 triangles, and 6 times 180, I think is 1040, but I'll just get my calculator to check. Clear, 6 times 180, 1080, not 1040. Okay, and 16 sides. Okay, 16 sides, there's going to be 14 triangles, and 14 times 180 is too big for my head. 2520. Now I think that's the last slide. Yep, so that's the last slide. So just finish that off, and in the next few slides we'll be doing some more work. Okay, thanks, bye.